What if AI didn't begin with algorithms at all? What if it began with a problem you could see, a guess you could make, and a failure that taught you what to try next? What if every difficult idea in AI felt like something you could have discovered yourself? Most AI courses introduce you to the finished answers, algorithm names, formulas, libraries, and code. You may learn to repeat the steps, but the questions that made those steps necessary are missing. So the knowledge feels borrowed. Change the problem, and the confidence disappears. Here, we begin earlier. We enter the real situation. We decide what success would mean. We try the obvious solution. Then, we watch it fail. Not to make learning harder, but because failure reveals what the problem was hiding. From that evidence, we notice a pattern, form an idea, and build the breakthrough ourselves. Only then do we give it a name. First, you meet the idea in the real world. Then you see it move. You predict what should happen. You explain the mechanism in plain language. Mathematics arrives when intuition needs precision. Code arrives when the idea is ready to be built. And a new problem tests whether the understanding is truly yours. One question leads naturally to the next. How can a machine make a useful guess? How can it know when it is wrong? How can it improve? See patterns? Understand language? Create? Plan? Act? We will travel from the simplest predictions to neural networks, transformers, generative models, agents, and research. Not as a list of topics, but as an unbroken chain of problems and breakthroughs. Every expert once faced these problems for the first time. Today, so will you. This is Codecraft. This is AI Rediscovered. Don't learn AI. Rediscover it. And our first question is waiting. Can a machine actually learn? If this is how you want to learn AI, subscribe and join us. Like the video, so more curious minds can find the series. And tell us in the comments what clicked, what was unclear, and what we should improve. Your feedback will shape the episodes that follow.